Hello, you trading nerds. How are y'all? It is October the 23rd. It is Sweet Bobby and Sweet Bess anniversary. We have been happily married for 17 years, and today we celebrate our 24th anniversary. Bess says that joke is getting real old, but it's a good one. I'm not going to tell you which 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 uh, which 17 were the really happy years. But no, we're doing good. So thank y'all. And we went to see George Strait in Atlanta. We got to see Carrie Underwood, Willie Nelson, and Little Big Town. And Willie sounded better than I saw him, I guess, 10 years ago. He did fine. His son wasn't even with him to prop him up. I mean, he did good. He, took a break every now and then and let the other guy sing. But it was really good. And then Carrie Underwood, I just couldn't stop staring at her legs, y'all. I'm like, and I texted my trainer. I said, whatever she doing to get those legs like that, I said, I want to do those same exercises. So we'll see if my trainer says, sure thing, Bob. So we're going to be working on my legs like Carrie Underwood looks on hers. That was just amazing. But she was wonderful. And that song that I just played there, Something in the Water, was probably the best song that she did all night. It was just really good. And then George Strait, y'all. He played like 87 songs and only played the guitar on like two or three of them. And he just held it the rest of the time. I don't think the man can sing without holding that guitar. And Beth looks at me, she says, he doesn't have to play it, Bobby. He's just George Strait. He can do whatever he wants to. He can stand on his head. But he comes out, he's just cool, y'all. He doesn't jump around, dance around. He just stands there. And then he'll move to the center, and then he'll move to the side, then he'll move to the side. And he's got three different microphones, so he's in three different places. But it was just a phenomenal concert. Really good. So that was my anniversary gift to Beth. And we even went to Longhorn Steaks, y'all. I got the Flo's filet. She said, do you want a 6 ounce or 9 ounce? I said, girl, look at me. What you think I want? Give me the 9 ounce, girl. So it was good. Had a great night. Great night. Oh, and then I got my pocket knife on me, right? Because that's what a country boy does, carries pocket knife. And I go, oh my God, I forgot it. Had to pay $60 for stupid parking. And I was like, I am not walking back. I'm fat. I'm not walking back. So I took my pocket knife out and hung it up on the little crosswalk button sign. You hit the button to go crosswalk. Beth said, Bobby, there ain't no way that knife's going to be there when we got back. Sure enough, after the show, there was people gathered all around the sign and my knife was there. And I said, if y'all don't mind, I got to get my pocket knife. They looked at me like I was going to stab them or something, but I didn't. And so my pocket knife, I was able to keep it. It was a wonderful night. All right, so anyway, enough about my little concert and the weekend. Hope y'all had a great weekend. The market, y'all, is up 0.34%, but we're in World War III. What's the crap? That's what I'm saying, man. Last night I said, oh my gosh, I need to close everything. We're going to be in World War III. I need to put hedges on. And then I was just like, you know what? Just screw it. Don't even look at it. So this is the first time I've looked at the market. I heard earlier today that it was down when I was doing my little exercise bike. It was down just a little bit, but now it's up 0.35%. Not sure what happened at all. We've got average volume. Let's look at our week, y'all. Let's see what our week is going to look like. First of all, let's go to the 10 versus 20 exponential moving average. This is bearish, y'all. We're below the 10 and the 20 exponential moving average. We have research posted on this in our Discord room, which we'd like you to be a part of. We're below the 200 daily moving average. This is bearish. And then on the monthly, 10 monthly, we are just below the 10 monthly moving average. So those are all bearish. Let's look and see what the expected move looks like this week. So yes, last week we blew out the expected move. We just went totally beyond it. So now we've got a bearish tint to this week. Here's our expected move, and we're right in the middle of it right now. So that is it. Now, we're also going to take a look at the big green monster and see if we can gain anything from that. Not surprising at all. We went down to the low there. Let's see how close we got to here. Nope. I think we've got farther low we can go to the 4170, but we're right back at the point of control. We expect to test these two areas right now. But again, the next 10 days looks like this. Just kind of what it looks like. So we could go anywhere in between those areas. That's the most probable probability cone. someone wanted me to draw a big green monster on gold, and we will do that. Some of y'all here trade gold, so it's not going to hurt at all to look at gold. I don't trade it, but if y'all want it, I am here for y'all. So let's go remove the drawing there. So this is October, so we'll need to draw September for October. It's not going to be very long. It's going to, we'll have to redraw this in a little bit. But let's draw it really quick like. I will not use this as a teaching element. I will use this simply to draw it quickly so we can see what gold looks like. So in gold, the high was 1980.2, and the low was 1862.3. Okay. And okay, let's go change our little Tula to this little thingamajig. And then we'll draw from the 50 to the middle of there, to the middle of there, and then up to the 100 line. Then we'll activate this, and we'll move the 100, the 0 line to the 200 line, like so. And then we'll take the 100 line to the start of the extension, and there. We'll delete that, delete this, and we will go, and we will activate this drawing. Not activate it, I wanted to edit it, and then we'll go, this is September or October, and we'll make it all green because we call it the big green monster. There we go. So there's our GC cart, and let's go to volume profile, see what she looks like. Change this to GC. And GC. All right, GC. What do I see here? Wow. Well, this is amazing, y'all. What an amazing chart it is. We're fairly priced. You got to say it's fairly priced. We have the point of control here. However, the point of control will soon be at this area if we spend any volume there. So what I'm seeing from this is probably a reversion to this 50 line. Next 10 days, looks something like this, with a most probable move down to that 50. So a little bit bearish, just a little tint bearish. We might check this out before we go back up. Okay, so that's what I see on gold. Hope that helps y'all that are trading gold. If anybody wants me to do it in oil or something, I'm not doing it. But let's get on to our little accounts and see how we're doing today. All right, so, oh my gosh, my cat is deaf, y'all, and it's so loud. Meow, because it can't hear itself. It's deaf. It's like 18 years old. It's meow. So if y'all hear that, I apologize. All right, what was I doing? Oh, we need to see about our little count here, don't we? So we're at 38,369. 38,369. So we're up a little bit. We're going to play some Jeffersons, y'all. 38,369. Fire up the band, Rico.
We're moving on now. Moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, let's see our stuff here. Let's see our Greeks and ratios. Oh, man. I finished my book over the weekend. Got to make some edits now. So if it takes 45 minutes to write a book, which it took probably, I don't know, 50 hours or more to write this novel, it's probably going to take me 150 hours to edit it. So 116.33 is my theta. 116.33, rough. Wow. That's no theta at all. Is that right? That can't be right. 116.33. That just doesn't sound right at all. Maybe it is right. Huh. Okay, what's VIX today? VIX is at, we'll say 20. VIX is at 20. Uh-oh, wrong place. Wrong place, Bob. Put in the right place. 20, and our buying pair usage is, hey, Beth. Put Nana's, oh, I do have her keys. I thought it was mine. Hey, sorry, I thought it was my keys. Oh, she's here? Well, how'd she get her keys? Oh my God, I'm sorry. Tell her I do got them. I got my mama's keys. We went to work out today. Isn't it amazing you can work out with your mama? All right, what was I doing? Oh, buying power usage. See what our buying power usage is here. So we're using only 22%, 84.35. Wow. Now this account says it's in call, but I don't know why it's in call. Let's go to this. See this thing? Cash account notices in call. Now why is it in call? I don't understand that. I wonder if it won't let me put on the trade. Let's see. Shouldn't it? Says it's got plenty of cash and everything. Let's go to it. Let's see. Option buying power is this. We made $1,800 for the year. We've got plenty of buying power. Let's see if it'll let me put on a trade, y'all. Or I got to call them and say, excuse me, why are we in call here? So we've been doing these 120-day ones, right? Look at this. It's been a while since I've done something. I guess no reason. What, Ben? Throw them? All right, hold on. Catch them, okay? I won't kill your hands, girl. Whee! Beth, tell everybody what a good husband I am for taking you to that concert.
Who had to go buy the tickets?
But all my exes live in Texas. So y'all tell me how to do this. I forgot how to do it. You go down to 15 to 5% delta, right? 5% or 6%. So let's go here. But excuse me, I think you got my chair. That's a -2 here. That's right. So let's do those, sell that. And if y'all remember right, we go to about the 25 delta. Y'all tell me if I'm doing this right. So the 4,000 and the 39.50, and that's 950. Let's move it at 9 up just a little bit so we can get feel. Ta-da! Big Daddy is in, baby. Amarillo by morning. You know, Carlos, that's amazing. And thank y'all for the happy anniversary wishes. He said, what is his favorite song that he has performed and wrote? And I don't know if he wrote it or not, Amarillo by morning, but he said that's his favorite. So I thought that was kind of good. Amarillo by morning. I sitting there going, by God, I ain't going home till I hear all my exes live in Texas. And he did that after he has to come out and do the little, what do you call that? Encore presentation. And that's when he did all my exes live in Texas. And then he gave some wounded warrior a house, which was really good. I was like, wow. He gave him the keys to the house. So George Strait, man, it's really, really good. And then I'm looking up. Now, here's amazing. While we're at the thing, I'm watching Alabama beat Tennessee at the first of the concert, right? Which was a wonderful performance. Roll Tide. And then I'm looking up net worth. Like, what is Carrie Underwood's net worth? She's like at 178 million. George Strait, 300 million. Willie Nelson, well, he can't even hardly pay his taxes, right? He's at 25 million. I just thought that was interesting. You know, I'm looking up net worth of people when I'm best enjoying the concert. I'm like, I wonder how much this person's worth. So anyway. All right, what were we doing? What am I doing? Oh, we put a trade on. So now let's go look at the other one, see if we can get Rico and the band fired up. So let's go to the Crimson account here. And our net lick today is 24,068. 24,068. Come here, baby. 24,068. I thought we'd be at more than that. 24,068. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, let's see what our Greeks and ratios are over here. Over here. All right, so over here we've got 133.58. 133.58. 58. And we are at 19 or 20. So buying power usage over here is 18,762. Wow, I cannot believe we're using 77%. And normally that would freak me out, right? I'd be like, oh God, we're at 70%, everybody. But it don't even bother me anymore. It don't even bother me. I mean, I'm as cool as George Strait is now. Right? As cool as he is singing, that's as cool as I am doing my little trading here. Let's go over to our trades here and look at this. Oh my gosh. So we had things close on the 20th here. So 0, 0, 0, right? And this is a debit spread that needs to close 0. Then this is a spread that needs to close. I'm just cleaning things up, if y'all don't mind, since we ain't got nothing else better to do than to. I mean, I got where wars and rumors of wars. Matthew 24, that don't even scare me anymore. I'm just, that's how cool I am. All right, so exit on 10, 20, 23. All right. And so, what the crap? Okay, there we go. And then let's bump that down there. 10, 20, 23. Let's copy that. So we got all these put debit spreads that are closing out for 0 money. That's why we put them on though, right? And just this one's closed. And then this one's closed. Now, then it's saying, hey, Bob, you need to close these. But the problem is, and it's just me, y'all. My problem is I don't want to close them because they're all losers. And I guess I have trouble closing losers. So if I go to my naked puts and sort them by profit and loss, well, there's one that I could take off. It's up $2.50. But I'm like, really? I don't want to take these losses. Now, then I go over here and I go, the only way I would take them off is if it was a 30 delta, right? Because that's when my plan says, hey, man, at a 30 delta, you need to start managing these positions. And we're not there yet. We're just not there. So I don't think there's anything to do other than if I am worried about that buying power at 77%, what could I do? Well, it's a great day to put on a hedge when the market is up. So you could go and do, let's do like we did the last time. Let's put a hedge on here. Where's my thing at? Yeah, hedge. So our net lick is at 24,068. So remember how we did it? We can spend up to 3% of our account on hedges. So kind of go 24. Dang it. Come here, you dad burn thing. 24,068. So go 24,068 times 3% a year. If I wanted to spend up 3% of my own things, right? That's $722 divided by 52 weeks. Means I could spend $14. So that's $15. So say 30. Let's do that. Let's buy us a 30-cent little trade there. 30-cent on ES. Now, if I do it today, though, I'm not going to do it on Friday because that's on one per week. So I'm limiting myself to doing this one time per week. Go to 14 days. Go to the one that we can buy for about 30 cents. So I might could buy this one for 30 cents, the 3,100. So let's see if we can buy that one for 30 cents. Cost me $16.82. Ta-da! I said, ta-da! Here we go. We got a little hedge on there too. All right, here is today's lesson. Trade as smoothly as George Strait sings, and you will be okay. Love y'all. See you tomorrow.